This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Spacious one-level home with a large living room including hardwood floors, great kitchen with lots of storage and counter space flows into a nice dining area. Third bedroom has a slider to a fully fenced yard, great for gardening and room for the kids and pets to play. A remodeled bathroom with a large walk-in shower. Double car detached garage with new siding could be a great shop area. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.